Hello, welcome. Just look at this. I guess watching episode 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll be able to provide answer to this. Episode number 5 of combination. So 10 people take part in a chess competition. How many games will be played if every person must play each of the other? So there are 10. So chess game involves 2 people at a time. So first 2, then second, third. There is no particular order in which the selection will be done. You all must play in the beginning. So you play, you play, you play. So it means we are going to have 10 different objects to pick from. Then picking 2 of them at a particular time. So that is giving us there are 10 objects taking 2 at a time. So that is going to be n is going to be 10. Our r is going to be 2. So 10 combination 2 become 10 times 9, 2 times 1. These were 5. So we have 5 times this, 45 what? Different ways. So there are 45 different, not ways per se, they are games. So these are the 45 games. It means they'll be playing 45 different games if everybody is to play one another. So first person in that order, when you are combining them, if they are all playing themselves, they'll be doing that in what? 45 different games before the winner will be selected. I guess the concept is clear. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and what? Subscribe.